This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2022 Studebaker and Orphan car meet up here in Mifflin in Reedsville. Checking out this beautiful, radical Kustom Studebaker. Love the Chevy grille. Look at that slope down. The Frenched headlights, shaved and louvered. Love the plum color. This thing is outrageous. It's got a beautiful button tough interior. I'll see if I get a better shot on the other side. The taillight lenses, oh gosh, of course 59 caddy, but look at the way how they're Frenched in there. That is beautiful. In the true Kustom manner. Set off by, of course, brilliant pinstriping. Very subtle, but very nicely done. There you go, now you can see. How long ago did you build this car?
Well, probably about 4 years.
Uh-huh. When did you build it?
In the last 4 years.
Oh, okay.
Come on, open up.
Come on, girl. She does not want to give up her secrets. Oh, she is beautiful. Ah, good. You got power steering,
Extended the hood.
alternator.
Extended the hood.
Yeah. See, this is really a 55. The fenders are off a Hawk.
Hood's 53, isn't it?
No, it's a 55.
That's a 55 hood.
Yeah, 55 they only had that chrome on them.
Okay.
Then I filled this in. These are off a 54 Ford. This I had made. And from here up, it's all handmade. The lower panel here at the Studebaker,
Yeah.
and the grill's 55 DeSoto.
Yeah.
That is
Getting
fantastic.
parts, huh? In the
Fantastic.
back, it's got 59 Cadillac taillights in it.
I like the way you French those in. Those were real sweet. Really
And I
nice.
Frenched the aerial over here.
Yeah, and I got your spider too. That's cool. That is cool. Do you drive it everywhere?
No.
Ah,
This is the longest. I live down by Bethlehem, Pennsylvania.
okay.
This is the longest it's ever been over the farthest
Yeah,
it's ever been.
2.5 hours.
Yeah. Oh, she should be able to take it pretty easy. Yeah. Well, you show off here. I'll tell you, you've been stopping traffic.
First time I took for this is a true story. Don't laugh. We went someplace and it caught fire right here.
Oh,
I peed on it. That's how I put it out.
He built many cars.
anything's fair in love and war.
That's my uncle. I'm his nephew, but here, this is another one that he built.
You could throw on
Nice.
the hood,
Nice.
cook up a meal.
That's cool. That is cool.
What you got? Your Plymouth?
Yeah, I showed a picture of the other
Yeah, that's nice.
So the louvers help keep it cool?
Makes it look good.
Looks.
It looks cooler.
I say they look cool.
Yeah.
Mine always ran a little warm. I
It's
got
a different
350
kind of
Chevy in
cool.
mine.
Yeah. This is sweet.
They get $3
Cool has
a piece
more than
now
one
for
meaning.
lubricant.
Really?
Really?
Wow.
Wow.
Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2022 Studebaker and Orphan Car Show up here in Mifflin Town, PA. For more cool events like this, make sure you check your car show calendars. NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, remember, post and promote your shows on the car show calendars. I'll see you at the shows.